Hello my beauties, I'm back again with a very fresh, dewy, no makeup look. This look can be achieved in less than 5 to 10 minutes. I'll start by moisturizing my skin. I'm using the Makeup Forever moisturizer just a little bit because I've moisturized my skin before. After moisturizing my skin, I'm going to use a little bit of foundation, not much, very little, because this is a no makeup look, and all the products that we are going to use today is going to be very minimal. I'm using the I'm using the Givenchy foundation. As you can see that it's just one pump, not even one pump. I'm going to dab it on my face, and today I'm going to use a beauty blender because I want the finish to be very glowy and seamless. So now I'm using a concealer. This is the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I'm really sorry, I don't know my shade. I mean, it just got faded. So I'm going to use the concealer wherever I have some pigmentation, and also in the bridge of my nose. I'm not going to contour my nose today, so I'm going to try and highlight my nose so that I get a very sleek look. Now I'm going to blend everything with a damp beauty blender. Now please make sure, take some time to blend it properly until you get that very dewy finish. It should look like you don't have anything on your skin. Until you get that look, you have to keep blending. And beauty blender does not only blend the makeup, but it also helps you take away all the excess makeup that is there. So whatever is stuck to your skin is stuck, and whatever is extra will be removed. So now as you can see, it has given me a very nice finish. Now I'll add some color to my face. I'm using the MAC Gingerly blush. This is a very nude warm toned blush. It's not I'm using a beauty blender so that I get a very natural finish and a very less product. Now I'm going to do the same thing for my contour. I'm using a very light shade. This is the Makeup Revolution contour palette, and I'm just going to contour my cheekbones lightly. I'm not going to drag it. I'm just going to contour the sides of my cheeks. As you can see, there's very less product, and I'm going to do the same contouring on my forehead. I'm just not going to contour my nose because that will be a bit too much for this look. Why I'm using a beauty blender is because the beauty blender is damp, so I'm the product payoff is much better than a brush, and it also helps in the makeup looking natural and not cakey. Now I'll highlight my face. I'm using the Nykaa Glitterati highlighter. I've mixed the light and the dark shade, and I'm just going to highlight the high points of my face. And in a no makeup look, I don't like the blinding highlight, so I use a very mild highlighter. This is a very natural looking highlighter, just so that my skin looks glowing. And y'all can use a bit less, but I love highlighting my face, so I'm just going a bit too much with it. So now don't forget to highlight your nose, because your nose, when light falls on your face, it falls the most on your nose. And also because you've not contoured your nose, so it gives a nice glow. Yeah, I love it. So now I'm going to set my whole face with the Maybelline Fit Me compact, and as you can see, I'm using a very light hand. Please don't use a lot of powder. There's a sponge that comes with this powder, but whenever I've used that sponge, my makeup has turned very cakey, so I don't like using that sponge. I like using this fluffy brush because it takes very less product, and I'm done with it. Now I'm going to do my eyebrows. For my eyebrows, I'm using the L'Oreal Professional eyebrow kit, and this kit has a gel and a powder. So first I'm going to take the gel, and then I'm going to I'm going to set my eyebrows with the gel, and I've also used the powder. I'm going to use eyeshadow too. I'm sorry, the video is so fast. I've tried keeping it short. Okay, so eyeshadow, you can skip this step if you don't want eyeshadow, but then I like highlighting my crease. Trust me, face to face, no one is going to understand that you have eyeshadow on your eyes, but still your eyes will look very defined, and it'll pop out. So I have used a very nude shade. I have used the same shade under my eyes just to give it a bit of a shadow so that my eyes look big. Okay, so that's all I have done. Now I'm going to curl my lashes, and after that I'm going to use the Maybelline Falsies mascara. um, So mascara, one tip that I can give you is, whenever you are putting mascara, try to take very less product, and first put the mascara on both your upper lashes, and then whatever is remaining, use it in your lower lash, so that your lower lash looks very naturally coated with mascara. For my lips, I'm going to use my fingers today because this is a no makeup look, and I want my lips to look as natural as possible. This is the Maybelline matte sensational lipstick in the shade nude. I'm going to lightly dab my lips, and that's all I'm going to do. And I'm done. Now I'm not done to put set my face. So I'm going to set my face now with the MAC setting spray, and this is such a gorgeous setting spray. It melts all the powder in your face and it makes your skin look like skin. And now I'm finally done with this glowy makeup look. Hope you liked it. Bye.